All right, guys, it can get confusing out there. I get it. There's a lot of different ab exercises you can do, but which ones are more beneficial, especially for us older guys, all right? There's a lot of stuff out there that aren't really necessary. So stick around and watch this video. I'm gonna give you my top 3 ab exercises, the only ab exercises you should be doing as a man over 40. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, I'm about to take you through the 3 ab exercises, the only 3 ab exercises you need as a man over 40, all right? There's a lot of different exercises out there. There's a lot of different varieties. There's a lot of things you can utilize. However, if I can give you 3 that you can do consistently and get great results, these are the 3 I want you to do, all right? That being said, the very first one, let's get down here. The very first one I'm gonna take you through is a reverse crunch. I always like, if you've seen any of my videos, especially ab videos, I always tell you I prefer working from the lower portion of the abs up, all right? I like to pre-exhaust those, fatigue those, then you can start focusing on some of the other ab work. All right, so for this, what we're gonna do, on the reverse crunch, you can keep your hands here to balance and add stability. You can keep them up here, or you can keep them even back here, just don't pull on your head, all right? You don't wanna round your neck like this at all. The other thing, make sure your lower back is pressed into the ground. You don't want a huge arch here, if you can see that. You don't want a huge arch here, that's gonna place a lot of stress and strain on your lower back. All right, so basically get it nice and flat, then contract your abs. Keep them tight throughout this whole movement. All right, and then you're gonna bring your knees up to your chest. Chest, and then drive your legs straight out with the focus of keeping your lower back straight. All right, by taking those out, your legs all the way out, that's adding resistance to your lower abs, and then you're crunching resistance. You'll notice my lower hips. The goal here is you've got your sternum up here and you got your pelvis down here. You actually want to shorten that, bring it together. That's the whole focus of the ab contraction. All right, so you don't want to just go through the motions of bringing knees up like this, okay? You want to make sure you're getting your lower hips rounded and contracting those abs at the top. One more here. Contract. Contract. All right? That is the first exercise I want you to focus on implementing. The next one, it's a plank variation. Here's the thing, some planks don't work at all. If you're doing a standard elbow plank, straight arm plank, you'll notice people doing that for hours and hours and hours online, trying to break records. Guess what? They still don't have a nice looking set of abs, all right? That's not the purpose of a plank. However, to really make a plank work, this is called an RKC plank. RKC plank. You're actually gonna bring your butt up a little bit more. All right, let's get set up and I'll show you. This is the standard plank, nice and straight. I like to come up a little closer here with my toes closer to my elbows. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders. Tuck your elbows in. All right. A lot of this is mental. The RKC plank, basically what your goal is, pressing down into the ground as hard as you can with your forearms and everything, and then driving your elbows back, both ends, all right? Let me show you the mental. When you're here, your goal is to drive your upper body this way, and from your toes down, contract your glutes, hips, and bring your toes forward. You're gonna get a full contraction, isometric contraction at the midsection when you do that, all right? Here, all right? Now I'm pulling with my toes and pulling down with my elbows. And I'm already shaking, all right? You're not just holding a position, you're actually contracting here. Glutes are tight, hams are tight, quads are tight, elbows, and I'm really pulling. All right, that is the RKC plank. You're not gonna be able to do this very long. Focus, 10 seconds, 15, 20. If you do 25 seconds, that's amazing, all right? So just take it at your own pace, but incorporate this movement. It's gonna help strengthen that entire core, but you're getting so much other stability work as well. Lower back, like I said, you're working your hips from the sides, the front hip flexors, quads, glutes. You're getting a lot of good core work, all right? So that is exercise number 2. The third exercise I want you to be doing, you got the reverse crunch, all right, which already got those lower abs working. Now we're gonna do a bicycle crunch, all right? This is one of the best type of ab exercises because you're bringing, once again, your upper abs and your lower abs together, all right? Bicycle crunch. Alternate, you're gonna go left elbow to right knee. There. You're bringing the knee up to your chest and you're bringing your upper body with the elbow forward. All right? Full crunch, stretch, crunch. Really drive those knees up too. That'll help those lower abs. Drive the knees up and drive that almost the shoulder over to the knee. All right? Keep your neck neutral though. That's the other thing. Don't pull on your neck. I'm just using my hands for support. All right. That's the bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunch, you'll notice will work every bit of your upper, mid, lower abs. So you should feel that everywhere. So you're gonna be going from the reverse crunch. I like this order as well. Start with the lower abs. Reverse crunch, go straight into the RKC plank. Hold that for 10 to 20 seconds. And then the planks that you're gonna be doing are for time. The other exercises, the crunch variations you're gonna be doing are for reps. So 12 to 15 reps with the lower reverse crunches. Same with the bicycle for each side. 12 to 15 each side. Do those 3, rest about 30 seconds, do a second round. Rest about 30 seconds and shoot for a third. If you can do these 3 times every other day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, even twice a week, then you're gonna start really hammering those abs. Again, that's all you really need to do. Your core, your stabilizers, abdominal work, a lot of that's gonna be getting strengthened and worked with all of your compound lifts that you're doing as well. Anytime you're utilizing all these multi-joint lifts, squats, deadlifts, you're also working your abs, all right? But to shape the abs, you wanna work them directly. That's why I'm incorporating these 3 exercises. Do those and you'll start getting a nice looking midsection and also a stronger core, which is gonna help you with all of your compound lifts as well. But guys, if you have any questions about this video, comment below, let me know. Also, give me a thumbs up, let me know you liked the video. Please check out some of these others as well. We've got other videos over here, workouts, nutrition, other ab workouts, whatever you want, we got it. Got tons of videos on our channel, so make sure you go back and check a lot of those out. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And guys, other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.